name is Cheslin.
Excellent.
Yes.
And you are one of the managers here on the reserve.
Yes, I'm one of the managers of this farm.
Dis uitstekend. Nou sê vir my Cheslin, wat maak julle vandag met die groot masjien daar wat so ry?
Vandaag is ons bezig om zaad te stroop om te snij. En nou dit is de tijd geraakt dat we gestroop gaan, dat ons al die zaden kan oes van al die kaf.
Baie mooi en hulle maak seker baie groot sak.
Ja. Dat is massieve zakken wat je moet gebruiken om die zaad af te tappen.
Fantasties. En kan jy vir my sê hoe gereeld sny hulle hierdie sade gewoonlik? Is dit nou
Dis wel jy kry hom so 1 keer 'n jaar en
O!
maar dan neem nou mekaar oes dit sny.
Wonderlik.
Dan wanneer hy nou voel nee maar hy is op saad skiet en dan los jy hom dat hy aangegroei wild groei.
baie dankie. Nee, Cheslin, dankie vir jou tyd hoor en lekker dag verder vir jou. Thanks for your time, Cheslin.
Baie dankie.
Coming to you live from the Meerkat Magic Valley Reserve. Currently, one of the Lucern fields has been harvested and is ready to be baled. And looking off towards the south, towards the Outeniqua mountain range, there is the new Lucern field, which is currently being irrigated. And today is quite an exciting event because this only happens about once a year. The seeds, which have been growing for many months now and have recently been cut, are now being harvested by that monster of a machine. That seed harvester looks like a giant galleon sailing through the little karoo here. It's quite a strange sight to see. It certainly is a very slow moving creature. All of the seeds will be sucked up from that and then bagged. Looking off towards the areas yet to be done, they have been raked into lines to make it easier for the harvester to collect them. And this is now looking up towards the north, towards the Great Black Mountain Range. Agriculture, conservation, local communities all work together here with the Meerkat Magic Conservation Project. This helps to farm and conserve this piece of land sustainably. And it's all about cooperation, which is the symbol for the meerkats here, of course. Stay safe.